In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore keyboard shortcuts to their default settings in Illustrator, ensuring you're working with the familiar layout you're accustomed to. This can be particularly useful if you've made changes over time and want to return to a default setup, or if you're encountering any issues with your current shortcuts. Let's dive right in and address those keyboard shortcut settings. First, you want to navigate to the Edit menu. This is your go-to area for a multitude of settings and options within Illustrator. Once you're there, you'll want to look for and select the option titled Keyboard Shortcuts. This will open a dialog box that allows customization of your shortcuts. Within this dialog, your next point of focus is the Set drop-down menu, which you'll see at the top. This drop-down is crucial as it houses different collections of shortcut configurations you might have created or switched to in the past. What you want to do here is select what's known as the default set. This might be labeled as Illustrator Default, or simply Default Set. By selecting this, you're opting to revert back to the universal shortcut settings originally installed with Illustrator. However, it's possible that when you open this drop-down, you might notice that the default set isn't available right away. Don't worry, there's a simple workaround for this. You can either remove any custom sets you've created or switch to. Simply select the custom set that's active and then click on the trash can icon to delete it. This action should reveal the default set, allowing you to select it. There's another scenario you might find yourself in, where the above option doesn't resolve the issue. In such cases, you might need to reset your overall preferences. Resetting preferences can be akin to refreshing Illustrator's settings to their original state, including restoring any missing shortcut sets. Once you've selected the default set or reset your preferences to reveal it, don't forget to click OK on the dialog box. This action will save your changes and immediately apply the standard keyboard shortcuts. You should now find that all shortcuts have returned to the Illustrator's default settings, giving you that seamless, consistent, and familiar workflow you need. By following these instructions, you're ensuring that your workflow remains smooth and efficient. For those who work with Illustrator regularly, having intuitive shortcuts is key to productivity. So, now you're all set with the default shortcuts, you can continue designing with ease and peace of mind. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to restore your Illustrator keyboard shortcuts to their default configuration. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!